Well, take a look at this incredible dash camera video. You see it right there. It was taken during a storm in South Carolina. A lightning bolt strikes some power company equipment, setting off not one, but those two explosions. This video was shared by police in the town of Mount Pleasant. One of the explosions turning a power pole and transformer into a fireball there. The other blast blew apart some overhead equipment. The power company, Dominion Energy, confirming there was damage that left hundreds of homes in the dark there. Fortunately, no one was hurt in either of those explosions. It is remarkable when you can catch a moment like that on camera,
right,
as it unfolds.
And more weather events like that are getting captured by dash cam.
Yeah, now that
as
more
they
people
become
have
more
them,
common.
we have cameras everywhere.
Exactly.
We could use the rain that was in that video.
We really could. You know, we had such a damp spring, but heading into the summer, we weren't running a huge surplus in rainfall, despite the clouds and the showers.
And what we think we did.
Right. So the problem is, because it's been so dry now for 5 or 6 weeks, you know, things are starting to really dry out a bit. And then you add the fact that today we have temperatures again in the mid to even upper 90s in some spots. That doesn't help the situation a whole lot either. 97, a very common number, Bangor, Augusta, and Freiburg. 96 in Millinocket. Along the coastline, a light sea breeze that has kicked in. Nothing that's all that strong, but it's not quite as sizzling right at the coast. Hot again tomorrow, a couple of degrees down from today, but I think most areas stay dry. Storms are more likely in New Hampshire and perhaps far interior Maine. The front is over us on Thursday with a somewhat higher chance for showers and storms, and then we're dry again Friday and Saturday. The numbers now are still up there, low to mid 90s inland along the coastline, a light sea breeze that's kicked up. It's not super humid, but dew points are in the 60s right now. And this area of high pressure is pretty much keeping us dry at this point. All the showers and storms for the most part held down to our south and west. So lows tonight will generally be in the 60s. Tomorrow we'll have lots of sunshine through the morning. Some clouds will develop into the afternoon, but again tomorrow I think we'll get into the low 90s for many of us inland. Along the coastline getting close to 90, but a stronger southerly breeze probably drops the temperatures more into the 80s during the afternoon. Not much rain tomorrow. Highest chance for a thunderstorm would be in New Hampshire, on the seacoast, back up into the western Maine mountains and northern Maine. I think a lot of us stay dry through the day tomorrow. Tomorrow night it's muggy. Thursday we start with clouds, and I think there certainly are more clouds for the middle of the day on Thursday. And then we'll bubble up some showers and thunderstorms. I think a lot of the time on Thursday it won't be raining, but there is a higher chance for a thunderstorm coming through during the afternoon and early evening on Thursday. And then high pressure builds in, and it brings us a great Friday and Saturday. The next chance for any rain isn't until Sunday with the next front that comes down from the north. Tropical Storm Erin still way out over the open Atlantic. The new track that just came in at 5 o'clock suggests the storm will pass to the north of Puerto Rico as a major hurricane on Sunday, and we think there will be a curve to the north that happens at some point Sunday or Monday. And right now, still the majority of our computer models keep that storm offshore, and would just mean some high seas and rip currents for us next week, but we'll keep an eye on it. Seas 2 to 3 feet with a southerly wind tomorrow, gusting up to 20 knots in the afternoon on the water. So 2 more humid days. Tomorrow is still in the low 90s inland. Thursday with more clouds, we stay in the 80s. Scattered showers and storms on Thursday, and then it looks great for Friday and Saturday. Both days will be sunny, comfortable with less humid air. A little bit more humid on Sunday with a chance for some afternoon storms. And then right now, early next week, it looks like we will be dry and comfortable. We'll just keep an eye on Erin. If it were to get up to our latitude, hopefully out at sea, it would probably be like late next week. So still a long time to watch it.
Time to be ready for that.
Yeah.
All right, Ryan, thanks.
You're welcome.